What's good, y'all? It's your girl and I'm back at it again with another video. Don't get on me. I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I made a video. I don't know what happened. Life just happened. Like, I don't know. I just got lazy. The fuck? I don't know if I just got lazy or what. Like, mad stuff started happening. Corona. My trips got canceled. I mean, we all going through the same thing, so y'all know. What else to happen? The Black Lives Matter stuff is going on. That is really like this looting and shit. It's a lot going on. But that ain't no excuse. I could have still been making videos. But we back. I'm back. I'm not even gonna make y'all no promises, but I know I'm gonna push myself. I'm gonna just do a vlog today. I think today is just gonna be a vlog. Amaya got a hotel. Her birthday had just passed, so she turned 21. Y'all say happy birthday to sis. But yeah, so her cousin and her cousin's best friend are at the telly. I'm about to go there now. I gotta go get gas and stuff first, but that's what the moves is for the night. That's what I'm gonna show y'all when I come back home. I got a new curtain up. I had a plant, but the plant died. I don't know what happened. My background a little different because I switched my room around because I'm trying to do something to the other side of the wall. I'm not gonna show y'all yet, but yeah, my stuff changed. But I'm about to go out tonight. Oh, I got a hand tattoo also, y'all. But and I finally got a curtain, so y'all ain't gotta cut on me no more. Y'all ain't gotta cut on me. Don't look at my nails. But I don't know how long I'm gonna stay out, but I'm going to a graduation party. I'm about to go pick up my friend, and then we're gonna head to the party. But I'm about to head out. I'm gonna see y'all in a few minutes later.
Why we doing so fucking fast, nigga? Hell,
Alright, I don't know if y'all can really see me, but we at the party. About to get out the car. I got my good sis with me.
Hey, y'all.
You want to introduce yourself?
I'm LaQuisha. Quay, better known as.
Yeah, Quay. That's what we call her, Quay. But, damn, it's mad humid out, and my buns really look crazy, y'all. But we about to go in there. I'm gonna see y'all when we up in there.
6.5 hours later.
All right, y'all. The party wasn't really my vibe. You gonna speak?
What's a video on that?
Yes, it's for YouTube. Thank you. Okay, so we decided to go to this bar. Oh, I keep looking at myself instead of the camera. Alright, so we decided to go to this bar. I'm not drinking, I'm driving. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow we'll get with it.
I just want to go cheap.
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm gonna look at this menu, so. I got a drink. I'm not driving now, so. Why this old ass man was trying to talk to me right here? Say, what's your name? I said Alexa. I don't know him. I think he used to date my aunt.
He did.
What you doing, fam? You have to say?
What am I supposed to say tonight?
It's a slow night. It's
All right. I'm gonna record for tomorrow too, cause we might go to Patcho. You going to Patcho tomorrow?
I'm doing something tomorrow.
Patch hockey.
I don't know. I just don't think house parties are my vibe anymore. Like, I knew it wasn't my vibe, but I was trying to show my support. But
House party's definitely not vibe.
it's not. People don't know how to act either. It's just not for me no more. Quay, you gonna pose? Pose? Are you gonna pose, bitch? You're in the mirror. Right there. I'm weak, so tell y'all why I didn't even go to Patchogue the next night because my back was all messed up. I don't know what's going on. It's been like this for the past 3 weeks, but my back was messed up, so I'm like, I'm not gonna go. But I'm about to go to the beach with Tanisha. Cousin Kyle's supposed to meet us there. Then after that, I'm not gonna drink. I'm not drinking to my birthday, but I'm gonna go meet my sis for drinks later. But that's it. It's mad humid out. Like, I flat ironed this I don't know how many times and it be straight, then it just pops up. Like, I give up. I'm not gonna keep frying my hair. I didn't feel like doing the rest of my hair just yet because I want to clip my ends and all that. But alright, y'all, we at the beach. It's mad windy.
I've never been in a video before. I don't know what to do.
So
I don't know how to act.
So you want to say your name?
Hi guys, I'm Tanisha.
Okay.
Kyle's always messing with me.
just sounds
I'm gonna put her Instagram in the corner. Y'all know I'll be putting everybody's Instagram. This nigga, y'all know him.
Hey. I'm back again.
Oh, we at the beach. Hold up, I gotta flip this around. Damn, I don't know why I didn't record the sun, but it looked nice. We got La Hookah. Don't look at my dogs, please. But
Why? That does not feel good.
we left the speaker.
So now you heard about your cousin?
Hold up, I'm recording. Somebody talks and I'm recording. He's wildin'.
Damn.
But is he really gonna say that? I'm gonna have to edit that shit out. I don't even know what he said. I just heard the last part. Anyways, I'll probably catch
Get
up.
out of here. He's poking me.
Only. Alright, I'm back, y'all. So today is LaQuasia's birthday. I don't know if y'all remember from earlier in the video. I don't know if I'm gonna do a separate vlog or what. But we in Manhattan for her birthday. Sis turned 22. They in the other room. Me and Shay in this room. But we just got ready. I guess I did like a little outfit thing. I got on these like the pants. I don't think so. That's pants.
Who you talking to?
I'm recording for YouTube. I'm weak. So, I guess I could show y'all the view. We ain't really got a view, but Times Square is down that way. But yeah, but we the place we're gonna go to, they closed early. You know, COVID's still going on. It's mad people out here not wearing masks. I haven't been to the city since COVID, but they ain't wearing masks. I'm wearing a mask. Don't play that shit. But I guess I'll catch y'all when I'm in the other room. I don't know where we're going out to eat yet, but the other place is out. I'll see y'all now.
Sexy ass.
22 I'm weak. This looks good.
I'm 21 again. Don't do that.
No, 22 and that's it. 22 and that's it, boo.
Hey.
Go ahead. Alright.
Y'all ready?
That was sis. We about to head out. I gotta put my shoes on, but we out. I'll catch y'all wherever we're going out to eat at.
Oh, the first one.
Hi, Sarah. What you
So mad about this mask shit. Like, oh my god. This for the vlog. This for the vlog, though. Yo, this quite broke her heel, y'all. Which is not sis. I have the video. She got the video of quite break her heel. Alright, Alright, y'all. So we ended up back in the telly. It was no seats outside whatsoever but aside. I'm about to bust this shit down. I got sticky wings and a side of mac and cheese. But I ain't put the mac and cheese out. And I also got and pull out of this bitch busting that shit down already. Okay.